Well, hi, everyone. I'm Local 5 Chief Meteorologist Brad Edwards here in the Local 5 Weather Lab talking about snow ratios. We talk about them quite a bit during the winter, and it really is a factor when you're forecasting how much snow is going to fall and what kind of snow is going to fall. Sometimes we put this graphic up here to tell you what kind of snow you're going to be shoveling out there. It could be the backbreaking, the wet snow. It could be light and fluffy. Well, that goes back to what the snow ratio is. So let's talk a little bit about that. Let's say we get 6/10 of an inch of liquid precipitation. So basically it's kind of like rain, but it's not rain, it's falling as snow. Now, if you have a 5-to-1 ratio, that is basically going to be half of that. So we're going to see 3 inches of snow if it's a 5-to-1 ratio. A 10-to-1 ratio is 10 times as much as that. So 10 times 0.6, you get 6 inches of snow. And then finally, that fluffier snow, the ratio is 15-to-1, and it can actually go higher than that. We've seen ratios as high as 20-to-1 in those cold, dry air masses out there. So that's something we'll keep an eye on. Now, the weight of the snow obviously is impacted by the snow ratios as well. We've got here 3 examples: fluffy snow, normal snow, and then your wet snow here on the right. So the ratios again, 15, 10, and 5-to-1. It definitely affects how much the weight is on your rooftop out there. And you can see it's 4 pounds, 6 pounds per square foot. And most roofs can hold about 20 pounds of pressure per square foot. So if you get, say, you get 12 inches of snow on your roof, it's like putting a truck up there, basically. Obviously, the weight is spread out, but it's a lot of weight up there on your roof. And this isn't a very big roof. It's only 1,500 square feet. Normal snow, it's a truck and a car. And then you go over here with the wet snow, it goes up. It's basically that ratio again, 5-to-1. It's basically 5 times heavier than the one behind me. So it gets worse. Now, if you get 24 inches of snow, that's when it gets kind of serious, because a lot of people will actually go up on their roof and remove the snow because it gets so heavy out there. You can see all these trucks that are on top of that. It's 25 pounds per square foot on that roof when you get that heavy wet snow. 5-to-1 ratio, a lot of water up there, and most roofs probably will have trouble with that much weight on there. So hopefully that helps you understand what snow ratios are as we go through the winter months. Thanks for coming to the Weather Lab.